Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Tunit. Today I am going to deploy MariaDB in my Docker Compose, but it's something different image. I came to know about these Chainguard images recently. Difference between the official images and Chainguard images are the Chainguard images are zero to low vulnerability images. Means they don't have vulnerabilities, or they have less vulnerabilities compared to the official images. I will show you the difference. I just installed Docker desktop on my laptop, and I just downloaded official MariaDB image and Chainguard MariaDB image, and I have the Docker scat, and it scans that images, and it tells the report what are the vulnerabilities that this particular image having. To see that official MariaDB is having 2 critical and 29 high and 19 medium vulnerabilities. And if you go to the Chainguard image, you see this image having 0 high and 0 medium and 0 low vulnerabilities. You can go to that report. It's a detailed report, and you can see those CEV numbers as well. If you click on the numbers, it will direct to the link that tells us what is this particular vulnerability and CEV. CEV is nothing but cumulative vulnerability and exposures that is publicly available and maintained by that US Maryland Security Department of USA, and that tells us those publicly available vulnerabilities. This is the vulnerability related to the Go language. Maybe it is fixed in this particular versions. And one of the advantages using that Chainguard images are the team builds and publishes those images every day, every night. If you use that official image, you have to maintain separate team to remediate those vulnerabilities, and security is one of the important aspect nowadays. That's why I came across this Chainguard images, and that's what I am going to deploy those Chainguard image. This is the Ubuntu server I have, and I have Docker and Docker Compose installed on this particular server. And I have that Docker Compose file as well that have this Chainguard Docker image, and as well as Caddy Docker image. I am using that Caddy as a reverse proxy in my environment. Caddy is a reverse proxy written in Go language and has that automatic TLS capability. And this is the custom image I built and published through Docker Hub. And also here I am exposing every service through Caddy only. Whatever that services are available external, they are through Caddy only. I have these two networks. This network is external. This is the bridge network between internal services. And these are the volumes you have to map to this particular containers in order to persist the data. If you are not mapped those volumes, you are going to lose the data. You have to map those volumes in order to get the data persistency. This is the Chainguard MariaDB image. I am named it as a CZDB, and this I'm just wanted to start this service after this after that Caddy service started. That's why I have a dependency condition. It starts after that Caddy service started. And also you have to mention that environment variables, means that root password or username and database, whatever the database you are going to create by default. Those I am using secrets. Everything is secure. You have to create a text file and map those secrets to these environment variables. And also I just mapped that MariaDB container volume to our internal folder. I just created Chainguard DB as an internal folder, and this belongs to that WordPress. I will just enable it after deploying our service. This is the Docker Compose file, which has this everything. Right now I have two services, Caddy and Chainguard DB, and also you have to mention those volumes and networks to that end of the Docker Compose file. I will deploy that compose by using docker compose of -t command. It will deploy the services in this particular compose file. This is the command we used to deploy the services in our docker compose file. You can check the status by going to the docker ps command. If you want to go to the logs, you can go to the docker logs and particular container id. I just wanted to see the logs of that MariaDB container. You can that logs and we'll see. Now everything is up and running. By seeing this, it shows that ready for connections. You can go into that container by using this command docker exec -it and container id and bash bash bash. Okay, I just have to docker. Yeah. Now you have to use this command MariaDB -root user -p. You can enter the password here, or you can enter the password in the next line. Okay, 3 T's. Now we have to enter the password. Now we are into that inside in that MariaDB Docker container. You can see the databases by using this command show databases. You have to know those CLI commands to delete those databases. This is the command drop database. Now it's deleted. You can see that database. I just deleted Cloud 8 and test also. You can delete the test database. Like that, and you can create database using this particular command. Now you can see this Cloud 8 database is created. Now I am going to use this Cloud 8 as a backend for our WordPress front-end service. I will just quit from this container. Now I'll go to this docker compose file and enable the WordPress service. I named it as 8, and also I just wanted to start this service after this our database service starts. That's why it depends on that CCTV and condition service started. I just don't want to start it before that DB service, because the database should be available to this particular WordPress container. And also I am using that internal bridge network in order to talk with our MariaDB container. It's only the bridge between the microservices, and also here also I am using that secrets, and also I am mapping that WordPress container volume to our local volume in order to have that data persistency. And also we have to enable these secrets here in this particular compose file. Double check to see if that WordPress service is enabled. Yeah, I'm just deployed using this same command docker compose of -t to deploy. Yeah, those are previously running containers, and now this WordPress container is started. To see the logs, docker ps docker logs, this WordPress container id. It's automatically copies WordPress installation files to this container folder, and we mapped that container folder to our local folder. That is the reason you have to map that container folder to local directory in order to get that persistency. Now I have everything is set up. Now I am going to launch this installation. See, it's automatically pick that database out of the database we mentioned in the secrets, and I am just going to install it. Now we can make Cloud 8 username and password. You can use the default password, or else you can use your custom password if you want to remember anything. Your email ID. Now install. And I just observed one thing. Site is very fast when I use that Chainguard MariaDB container compared to that official image. So they used Wolfie as a base image to build images. This is the end of that video, and if you like this video, share it to that community, and subscribe to my channel to get more updates. This is the very special video. Big brands are using those images. You can check them and avoid those separate team to remediate those vulnerabilities, because these images are having low to zero vulnerabilities by default. Thanks for watching. Have a nice